Hey everyone, so if you're wondering how to get this hair from black to this, then just keep watching. And yeah, using this kit by Feria. It was on clearance, as you saw in my previous Target haul. This is 11.11, and this is in Extreme Lightning Ultra Cool Blonde. So it's Ultra Cool Blonde. We're gonna put our gloves on. I've already done this a million times, so I'm not really gonna go through all this, you know. I'm just gonna start showing y'all. But I am gonna put the gloves on first because you don't want your hands to burn. And you don't wanna get color all over your hands either. Use a shirt that you don't care about. This is step one right here, is just this bottle. So we're gonna open that up, and I love how they numbered this so you know exactly how you do this. You can't go wrong. This is step 2, has a 2 on it, so you just open this baby up, not from the top, but from the bottom first. And then you pour this in here. This is the color. Just pouring it. Okay. This one smells pretty strongly, so make sure you do this like how I'm doing it. Arm's length, because if you catch it right in your nostril, you will be like, good lord, I'm dead. Then you want to kind of shake this up, not crazy, like, you know, do this deal. And then the last step is step 3. This is to give it the aroma of something nice and not strong and psycho, like the way that it smells. So we're gonna open this back up and pour that in. So this one you just snap in half. So literally just snap it or break it if you can, or grab some scissors because this one's kind of trickier apparently now. I'm gonna bust it in my eye. Oh, there it goes, it's opening. I think so. Because I wasn't able to get this to cooperate. Smells really good, so good. I love the way this smells. Alright, so I'm gonna throw that away in the trash. Alright, so now you wanna put this lid back on, shake it, give it a good shake here, you know. And then it says that the most you wanna leave this on is 25 minutes. So you can snap this off, and then it comes with the step 4, which is the conditioner. This is for after you shower. It's a power shimmer conditioner, glistens and hydrates, and this smells really good too. I love it. It smells so good. I'm gonna open it now. Oh, it smells so good. And before I do that step though, I'm going to do the purple shampoo that I talked about in my Target haul, because this is gonna take away any brassiness, any like orangey type tones that aren't supposed to be what I'm going for, you know. So we're gonna see how that works as well. Now I'm gonna start applying this, and I'm gonna use just regular Reynolds Wrap foil to kind of separate the pieces, because I want to keep some of the dark in. I don't want it to all be, you know, a lighter shade. So if we don't wrap it, it's going to, and I'm just doing like this size, so that we're able to like put the hair, and then we're able to like fold it over. Because if I don't, then it's gonna touch the other hair, and it's just gonna be like, might as well just bleach my whole hair blonde, you know what I mean? So I'm doing like the same size right there, a few of them. So what I like to do is, you wanna use the part that's actually reflective. You don't wanna use the matte. They both reflect, but this is like more matte, and this is the shiny. You wanna use the shiny when you're doing this. And I'm gonna start from the bottom right here. So I want this to stay dark, but I'm gonna use some of it. So I'm gonna take half of this, and I'm going to put the aluminum under, okay? And I'm not gonna take it all the way up to the root. So just like this. Alright, fix my mirror, there we go. Okay. And then once you have that piece, you can put the other one back. You just place everywhere here. As you can see, I hope you can see that. So just, and then I'm just gonna literally lavish it in there. Okay, be very careful to close your eye, your left eye for this, because oh God, in your nose, my Lord, it is very strong. So do this kind of fairly quickly and then close it up like this. Okay, all the way down. I'm gonna close it all the way down. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. I'm just going to take the piece that I want from right here, and then you can do the rest after. So here we go, same thing, shiny part under. Okay, the mat folds over, so same thing. And then I'll just fast forward the video for the rest of this, so you guys aren't like bored of me repeating this step, just so you guys can see it. If you do touch the aluminum when you're folding it over, just grab a towel and kind of, you know, do this deal. And then move on to the next piece. Camera was getting hot, so I turned it off, but I just did this last piece here, and you should come out with something like this where it looks like it's all folded, but it's not. You still have like this one strand that's dark on that side, and then on this side I still have this dark side, so we can really tell the difference from when it's dyed to when it's not, what's bleached, what's not, and have that variation. So now I'm gonna let this sit there for 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm going to do 25 minutes of this, and I'll show you that process. It smells so good, you guys. This smells amazing. I don't recommend using your full-on hands for this, but since it's only going to be quick, and again, I'm using this shirt just because I'm going to leave this on for over 25 minutes, and I am shampooing it, and it smells so good, you guys. Like, I recommend this shampoo just for the fact because it smells so good. It smells like nothing I've tried, and this is really smooth. It's making my hair super smooth. I don't know what's in it, but let me read what it says. It says, who says blonde moments are bad things? The first step in treating your golden locks with tender love and care by protecting its true color. Blonde moment. Shampoo will cleanse gently and increase shine no matter your shade, infused with dark violet pigment to neutralize brassiness and color changing. And violet rice for revitalizing and soothing dry hair. Yeah, so I definitely feel the soothness because it feels super smooth for the fact that I just like dyed it, bleached it, all that. For revitalizing and soothing dry hair, you and your hair will be ready for all life's moments. That is so cute. So you use only once or twice a week in place of your usual shampoo. Squeeze shampoo into hands and work through wet hair. Rinse thoroughly. If needed, follow up with Blonde Moment Conditioner. Safe for use on all shades of hair. So see, you can even use it if you don't have blonde hair. This smell, I'm very, very impressed. I can already see how the color is changing. You can see kind of, see that? This is, I'm really impressed. I think I keep putting more on because I feel like it's doing a great job. So I'm just going to put that in the back. I feel like more dry down here. Definitely super. The Revlon Color Silk, beautiful color. I think this is like $4, $3, I don't know, at Walmart. On number 5. So there's that. So I just use that with some gloves. I just put in a few strands where I feel like I want it to lighten up a little. Like you could tell this one, and this time I'm not foiling it, and see if it pulls some of the hair color here, because I saw where it's like a complete cut off. You can kind of see it here, but it was just completely like it went from here to boom, it's just off, and it doesn't go with the rest of the hair because it's the top layer. If it was the bottom layer, then you can't tell, but it's the top, so you can tell right when it cuts off. So I'm like trying to pull some of it so it can kind of do like a fade out, at least, so it just is not like a complete, you know. But if that doesn't work, I'm going to go get some bleach, just like some regular bleach from Sally's, and then pull some of that color off. But yeah, other than that, that's what I'm doing right now, just to lighten up a little bit more, get it to the effect where I want it, you know. But if you don't have the money, then you can do it by yourself. It's just the process, and then you have to be patient and go from like really dark black practically to like the golden and the honey, and skipping over like the red and the orange. Like it's really hard and difficult, and trust me, I've done it. I've gotten hair that looks like carrot, and that really was annoying. And then I went to go get it fixed at the salon, and it made it even worse. So now I just do it from home, and I know kind of like the process it takes and how to do it. So definitely it's all about trial and error, and how your hair will pull, how long it takes to pull, you know. Like now you can tell it's kind of getting lighter, but yeah, I'm gonna continue to use that purple shampoo. I think it does wonders when you use the purple shampoo, because if you don't, it would have been completely like this orange here, like this. It would have been like that orange, and that's the color I always get, or used to get, when I didn't know what I was doing and I wouldn't do it the right way. I would just sit there and bleach forever, and then you get that color. So you want to make sure that you're doing it like this, and you take your time, because if you don't, you just put it all over your hair, and you're gonna look like carrot, like for real, I'm not kidding. Like if you do get to that point where you're like a carrot, like squeeze a lemon, like a lemon over your hair, and just let it sit there for a few minutes, and then go rinse, and then put the purple shampoo all over, and just sit in the purple shampoo for as long as you can, and then that can kind of neutralize the color. And then go ahead and do the ash over it, the ash color over it, because I've done that, and there where it looks like carrot, and the fact that it's not looking like carrot right now is really good. So yeah, I've got it down to I know what I'm doing, or how to do it where I don't look like that color. So yeah, thank you for sticking with me, and this is gonna be a long video, but I really wanted to show you the process, because I don't want it to ever seem like boom, you get it in one try and it's all perfect. It doesn't always come out perfect. You're gonna get patches sometimes, especially when you're doing it by yourself, and you don't have someone there to help you. You're always gonna get someone, I mean, you're always gonna get like that one spot that's what the heck, you know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next clip. Hey everyone, okay, so this is my hair. I did fix it a bit. You can't tell because it's kind of curly here, but you can see where it did finally fade out from that cut off. So that's really good. Revlon, you came through for me for super cheap. And I just kind of curled it. I don't have any hairspray on. I really wanted you guys to see how shiny it is and everything. Use the purple shampoo, use the Feria conditioner, and use the Revlon conditioner, which I'm highly impressed. It actually felt more smoother on my hair and like refreshing than the Feria. But I do feel like the Feria gives it a nice bold shine, like you can see. Like this is pretty shiny. And now I'm just gonna top it with this L'Oreal Lock-It hairspray. This is a 48-hour hold, anti-frizz, and you know that if you live in Houston, you need it. So I'm just gonna use a little bit lightly though, because if you do put it a lot, like it'll start to get ashy-ish, like dandruff. So, because this is just the way that I part my hair and the way that I always have it to the front. So this is where I want it to be more visible, the color, than in the back, because I like hardly ever have it back. So there's that. That's kind of how it would look like if I had it like that. And then I like to also just kind of like flip my hair, like a little bit, and then just kind of do this, and then just kind of do a stretch. And then we will do this, and just flip it back. Keep using the purple shampoo, because if you do stop, then it does really kind of start to get more on the orangey side, like this orange. See? It should be looking like this orange, but it's not. There's a minute we'll flip it to the side, probably you can see how much lighter it is. So just kind of like that. Healthy and shiny. I also did want to say that I used my L'Oreal Elvive Revive, and that helped a lot after I used the feria. Like I said, I'm not wearing anything fancy right now. I'm just wearing my cardigan so you guys can see the definition, because I don't think you'll be able to see it as much if I just have it like against my red shirt.